Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil maintenance on a Lexus LX570. Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and turning the ignition to accessory without starting the engine. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate to the odometer or maintenance menu, select Reset, and hold the Enter button until the indicator counts down. Verify the oil maintenance light turns off before driving. Begin with the ignition in accessory mode and the dash lit but the engine off. Use the left or right steering controls to reach the odometer or maintenance submenu, then find the oil maintenance item. Press and hold the Enter/Reset button for several seconds until the display shows a confirmation or zeroes out. Release the button and confirm the maintenance light is extinguished before shutting off the vehicle. If the maintenance light does not reset on the first try, repeat the procedure and hold the reset button a bit longer while watching the display. If the light flashes or returns, scan for stored codes or inspect for unresolved service issues. Remember, trim differences can change menu names, so refer to the owner manual if your LX570 shows different prompts or button arrangements before contacting a dealer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.